this quick. So an old college buddy of mine decided to treat me to a week in Southern California with his family. Unfortunately, he lives in Ventura, and these wildfires have been very problematic. Partially because of this crazy wind that we have right now, gusts up to 65 miles an hour. Bless his heart, he's been very stressed. He lives here with his father, grandmother, and a bunch of animals. Right now he's currently driving his girlfriend back to Ojai, where she lives, another high-risk area. And as you can see, it is just a few blocks away. We are currently under a state of emergency, voluntary evacuation. It's been tricky. Last night, whenever we drove in, we saw the orange glow, and the night went something like this.
We're passing by the Edison company right here. Yeah, we can see the flames.
And so all her candles from the wedding are all in there.
It's over the ridge.
East
Over the ridge. Right, it's behind us, but ocean. I seriously have no idea where we're supposed to go.
It's like right there now too. Do you see it, Jay?
Yeah. It sure did. I've never seen anything like this before. We are prepared to leave if the time comes. If you are in the area, please be safe, use good judgment. Prayers are with you. Take care.